What type of issues do we fix? Our general support service, which is our most popular, will service any single request that involves WordPress. A single request is the specific repair task you need completed when you submit your support details. Some examples of a few things we fix every day. White screen issues, where you are seeing just a white screen. Plugin issues, where you are seeing a plugin error somewhere. Theme issues, where you are seeing a theme error somewhere. Updating issues, where you are seeing an issue after completing updates. It would be very timely to list everything that we can fix, but please understand that after 10 plus years and over 232,000 tickets serviced, our agents have seen it all and love a good support challenge. We also have a wide variety of other specialized WordPress support services that can handle any WordPress work you may need. Our infection cleanup service is widely used by our customers that are dealing with an infected website. We also have a very robust speed optimization service that can take a slow WordPress site and make it blazing fast.